Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the gaming services missing issue in the Xbox app on Windows 11. We will start with the quickest and easiest solution. Open the Xbox app on your computer. Once the app opens, click on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the window. From the menu, select Support. Inside the Support section, look for the Gaming Services Repair tool. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once the process is complete, restart the Xbox app and check if the issue has been resolved. If Gaming Services is completely missing from your system, open the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store window, click Downloads in the bottom left corner. Next, click Get Updates in the top right corner. This will check for updates for all installed Microsoft Store applications, including the Xbox app and gaming services. If the problem still continues, try resetting the Xbox app. Open Settings. Go to Apps, and then Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Xbox. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. First, click Terminate to close the app completely. Then click Reset. This will clear corrupted cache files and restore the app to its default state. Once finished, restart your computer and launch the Xbox app again. Thanks for watching.